Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Snapchat streak if you have accidentally lost it. So the first step is you want to open up your profile page here. And the way you can do that is just by clicking on the top left here, and this will open up your profile. Next, you want to click on the settings button at the top right. Next, you want to scroll down, and you want to scroll down until you see the I need help section under the support. Once you're here, you want to enter into the search bar Snap Streaks, and then you want to scroll down until you see the what if my Snap streak has gone away, but I know I sent a snap. There's a little text here that says, if you feel there was an error, please let us know. If you go ahead and click on the let us know, you can select the option where it says I lost my Snap streak, and then you can scroll down, and basically what you can do is you can fill out this little form here. So basically your username, your email, your friend's username that you lost your streak with, and then enter in the rest of the details below. And once you enter this in and click on send, basically Snapchat will restore your streak because Snapchat will believe that it was an error. And once they restore your streak, you should be able to see your streak once again on Snapchat. Now, I have personally tested this out before and this has worked for me, so I can guarantee you that this will work. But that's basically going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.